Hey you guys, today today's video is gonna be a little bit different, and I'm kind of leaning on my couch bed that I have in my room. And today I saw this at Walmart. It's a Kit Kat limited edition fruity cereal, so I'm guessing it's based on the Fruit Loops cereal. And yeah, I was gonna get the longer one that comes in like, I don't know, it's like a bigger one, not like single like this. So, and then I saw this one, I'm like, oh, I can save my money. You know, just get two and see, because if it's good I might send one to a friend of mine, and hopefully, I don't know. So let's just open this up. So today's video is just a little bit different. It's like a taste test. So it looks like that. And we're gonna take one off. And like, I could actually smell it through the package, which is funny, because I don't have a good sense of smell on my nose. I have a hard time smelling things, but that was like my whole life anyway. So let's just try this. I could definitely taste the cereal in this. Like, I'm not a big fan of Fruit Loops, but I could definitely taste this. And it's very fruity. I don't know about this. And I did try the mocha one, maybe like a month or so ago. That one was good, but I don't think I would have it very often, unless that was like the last candy bar in the earth. And Kit Kats aren't my favorite. Like, I do like Kit Kats, but it's not like, oh, I have to have a Kit Kat now. I'm more of a Reese's Peanut Butter Cup girl. So, and I've had a cough for almost 4 years. Isn't that amazing? 4 years this October. Let's celebrate. Yeah. I may take a drink for a second. Okay. Let me know what your favorite Kit Kat flavor is. And I know some stores here in the States have the Kit Kats from like Tokyo, Japan. And I know where to get that one. So I might try that one next. Let me know if you want to see more like taste tests of where candy bars in the future, and I will be happy to do them. It's just I'm very picky on the foods I eat, because like I can't have dark chocolate, I can't have fudge, and I can't have brownies, and I don't like whipped cream. And I do like peanuts, but if I were gonna have a peanut, it would have to be like on its own, not like in a candy bar or or in anything. So that is just a little reference on that, just so you guys know, like, oh, she's a picky eater, as a little heads up on that. But anyways, I will talk to you guys soon, and that too. And I don't know, I will check out right now. Bye.